we have the PowerPoint, please? Okay, so thank you. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. So I would just like to reaffirm what was stated by our moderator a while ago. So I am a faculty member or academic staff of the Department of Psychology, University of Santo Tomas. It is Ma'am Pearl who is a faculty member of the UP, okay, College of Human Kinetics. And a while ago, okay, so one statement that left a mark on me from her talk, she said that I am one of her mentors in the field of sports and sports psychology. But actually, on my end, I feel like that was an overstatement, Ma'am Pearl, on my part. Because Ma'am Pearl, knowing her, when I was working with Muay Thai, I'm still working with the Muay Thai for the team of the Philippines. So she have had her own path in the field of sports and sports psychology. Okay? So at this point, okay, so from there, allow me to tell a story or make kwento. And this is a very simple story, a usual incident or occurrences in Rizal, okay, a Memorial Stadium, that one day, okay, walking towards MSAS, okay, particularly to the Sports Psychology Unit of MSAS, of the Philippine Sports Commission, I saw or witnessed 3 female athletes throwing their slippers onto the branches of a mango tree. And during those times, I think it was summer, and the mango tree was very full of women. And they were successful in terms of breaking those branches, using the slipper, and getting, okay, those mango fruit coming from the tree. Okay? Now, you might be asking, anong kinalaman ng mangga, ng bunga ng mangga sa mental resiliency of elite athletes, which is actually katatagan in the Filipino context. Correct? Okay? May direct translation po yung resiliency sa Filipino, walang iba kundi yung katatagan. Question, matatag po ba yung mango tree? Again, okay, louder response to this point. Is the mango tree resilient? Matatag po ba? Yes, undeniably. Yung bang atletang Pinoy, matatag? Yes. Okay? Inside the sport and outside life itself, matatag po ang atletang Pinoy. Okay, bakit? Okay, kaya po nilang tumayo mula sa pagkatalo. And even tougher, probably in terms of the defeat or loss that they might experience in sports, nakakaranas po ng problema. Sabihin natin suliranin or pagsubok yung atletang Pinoy. And there you go. Okay, so doon po nila pinapakita, okay, they are proving the resiliency at katatagan sa loob at sa labas ng sports. Just like a mango tree, okay, our elite athletes or national athletes, they are being continuously thrown with criticisms, toxicity, okay, so biases, okay, particularly in the media, more specifically through social media, and they can experience but to feel pain or hurt inside. But then again, okay, so in spite of the hurt, in spite of the pain coming from criticisms, toxicity, trolling, cyberbullying, etc., and including the pain or hurt coming from the defeat or losses, okay, that those reasons, those factors, never brought down our Filipino athletes. Dahil katatagan po sila. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, okay, our listener for today. Resiliency is the core theme of my presentation today. I guess it's in continuity with the presentation of Ma'am Pearl a while ago. So next slide please.